In this video, we will talk about 5 countries where it is illegal to own crypto. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Cryptoers1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT and blockchain. Every day a new video, follow us not to miss the news. Most countries embrace Bitcoin and other cryptos, but these ones are not having any of it. Over the past few years, cryptocurrency has taken the Western world by storm, with the top crypto coins now worth thousands of dollars. But while the crypto industry may seem like it's booming, a considerable number of countries have banned or highly restricted the use of cryptocurrency. So, which countries are saying no to crypto, and why? 1. China. China is a wealthy country that, until recently, had a thriving crypto market. However, the Chinese government decided to ban cryptocurrency trading and mining entirely. Since 2013, China has been limiting the use of cryptocurrency via numerous restrictive measures. These measures eventually resulted in a total cryptocurrency ban in September 2021, when the government made crypto mining and crypto transactions illegal. These prohibitive laws resulted in the ban of all cryptocurrency activity across the country. Several exchanges announced that they would no longer be providing services to Chinese citizens, while also blocking any Chinese IP from using said services. While this seems pretty extreme, it really isn't much of a surprise when you consider China's state-run economy. The unregulated, decentralized nature of cryptocurrency would mean that Chinese authorities would not have a solid grasp of how things progress, which contradicts their economic ideas or desires. Too bad, really, given how hugely prominent China once was in the crypto mining industry. 2. Algeria. The North African country of Algeria saw a total ban on crypto in 2018 when a new law was introduced stating that all activity pertaining to so-called virtual currency would be prohibited. The Algerian government states that currency is virtual when it cannot be supported or substituted by any physical currency or document, such as a check, coin, or card payment. Anyone who breaks these laws will allegedly be subject to punishment under financial law. 3. Nepal. Nepal, the small, landlocked country on the southwestern Chinese border, made the mining and trading of cryptocurrency illegal in 2019 under the Foreign Exchange Act. It is thought that the Nepalese government's exploration into a state-backed digital currency, which won't be as liable to possible crashes, is the reason why traditional, unregulated cryptocurrencies have been totally banned. So, we may be seeing a new Nepalese digital currency being established in the coming years. 4. Vietnam. While cryptocurrency isn't outright banned in Vietnam, you cannot use any form of cryptocurrency, be it Bitcoin, Ether, etc., to make purchases. However, the mining of cryptocurrency and the use of blockchain technology is still legal, for now. No one really knows why Vietnam has decided to forbid the use of cryptocurrency in transactions. Still, some speculate that they may be following China's lead, avoiding any sort of currency that they cannot regulate or more easily control. However, this is just an observation, so there may be another reason for this entirely that the country may or may not make clear in the future. 5. Russia. Russia hasn't yet done away with cryptocurrency, but the government is certainly trying to restrict its use. For example, in July 2020, Russia passed a law stating that cryptocurrency would be liable to taxation. What's more, using cryptocurrency as a payment method is currently illegal in Russia, with many claiming that authorities are concerned that allowing the use of cryptocurrency for payment will possibly destabilize the country's money supply. However, Russian citizens are allowed to possess crypto wallets outside of the Federation, so it's still a solid investment option in this case for the foreseeable future. Though these laws have stood for some time, this may all be about to change. Russia's president, Vladimir Putin, has recently stated that cryptocurrencies do, in fact, have the right to be used for payment. However, he is still hesitant over allowing the trade of exports, like oil, to be facilitated using such currencies. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.